Hello everyone, glad to see you on the channel where things get a second life. Today, we'll be looking at a homemade tabletop saw for soft materials, wood, plastic, and cardboard. In this project, I used imagination, scrap metal, plywood scraps, cardboard, and wooden blocks. Now I'll reposition the camera and show you what it does and how. I will be cutting a 12mm thick particleboard.
The machine isn't very powerful. I have to make the cut in several passes, constantly increasing the width of the kerf. I use shims of different thicknesses for this.
The saw blade diameter is small. I have to flip the workpiece to cut through its entire thickness. Now let's take a look at what it's made of. The machine tests indicated that a single motor lacks sufficient power for normal operation. Leveraging the stroboscopic effect to ascertain the rotational speed and achieve synchronization between two electric motors. The equipment is functioning better. Increased power is required. To attach the second motor, it is necessary to carry out turning work. Connect the electric motor, put on safety glasses. Keep in hand. Diminish the shaft's diameter. Utilize a turning threading tool. Isn't the first swarf on the channel. Using tactile feedback, I'm checking that there's no step. It's not worth measuring with calipers.
See how this tool is made by clicking the suggestion in the top right corner.
I will show the manufacturing of some parts right now.
The red motor mount is cut out from a broken shoehorn. The rubber damper for the motor is cut out from a bicycle inner tube. The yellow tip on the electric motor shaft is from a felt tip pen. This is part of the steering system mount for a scooter. The bent sheet metal is from a broken office chair. For the supporting surfaces of the machine, I will use a section of fiberboard flooring and leftover pieces of lacquered brown particleboard. Marked it using drafting tools and a utility knife. Cut it out with a jigsaw using a wood blade. I decided not to show the rather straightforward procedure to save your time. Machined the spindle cavity using a handheld router. After machining, I applied super glue for reinforcement. I don't even remember where I got these transparent tubes anymore. This is a part from a sphygmomanometer. It's a medical system for monitoring human blood pressure. Hi again. In the next homemade project, I'll try to use the hub from a bicycle's front wheel. And also, a household sewing machine, maybe a mixer, or something else. I don't know yet. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, there will be a lot more here.